So my first garden was a raised 6-inch garden bed made out of treated wood. I had gone on the internet and did all the researching I could to find out what was the best thing to do, what to grow, how to plant it, how to control pests. The end result was me being so overwhelmed and frustrated. So I took the seeds, I threw them in a bed and hoped for the best. Some things grew, most did not, but I did not give up. Instead, I looked to nature to see how it grew, how it was tended, watered, and fertilized. From there, my gardening journey flourished. 31 Eden was birthed from this amazing desire to see the miracle of life in the form of fruit and vegetable plants. We desire to see every home in Fayetteville have a garden and to garden with confidence. 31 Eden not only teaches you how to garden, we also walk you through the entire process from installation to harvest. Our clients got started by booking a consult, and so can you. Just go to the website, book your consult, and we'll come to your house and get your garden started. Let's start your garden journey.